Hi everybody. Alright, so I keep seeing this trend, this fox eye trend, like everywhere. So of course I'm going to try it. If you're not familiar with it, it's this like makeup look that is inspired by the supermodel. Her name is Bella Hadid. And basically like her eyebrows are like this, like they're more and there's like speculation that maybe she had a procedure done, or something where they like lift here. Sometimes if you just put your hair up really tight, you get that look. I'm not going to do that to myself. Or you could kind of adjust or manipulate your brow shape, right? So what I've seen a couple of people do here on YouTube is, and they're blessed with like full thick eyebrows, they'll like shave off this part so that it looks more straight. My eyebrows are pretty arched, but I don't have like those nice full fluffy eyebrows. I barely have any tails. So I'm going to leave my eyebrows like this. And yeah, so I guess this would be a take on if your eyebrows are more arched and thinner, but you don't want to pull any out, how to kind of get your eye shape to look more like elongated and up. And believe it or not, it doesn't really require a ton of eyeshadow, which is amazing. So I'm going to go in with my Pacifica Animal Magic palette. I'm going in with this one simply because you have a lot of neutral colors, right? So I'm going to use some of these and like the more warm colors. And it's just what I have on hand at the moment. So I'm going to go in with a light shade called Swan. And I'm just going to dust that all over my eyelid. So I'll do one eye on camera and one off camera just to kind of save time. So I'm putting this lighter color from my lash line to my brow bone. And I'm really gonna like concentrate it on like this part of my eye, like right underneath the brow bone, because you see how like automatically right now this one's more lifted, it's like higher because of the lighter color, right? Your eyes are more drawn to it. And then I'm gonna take this is an eyeshadow brush. I think it's just a regular one from Real Techniques. And I'm going to take the color Wolf, which is like a medium brown. And I'm going to go very lightly. Actually, I'm going to use this brush from Bare Minerals. It is called Shade and Diffuse. It is like a dual fiber brush. If you see really close. This I like to use for concealer, but I wanted to try it for eyeshadow. Since the bristles are like a stippling brush, you're going to get a lighter application. So same color, medium brown color. You don't have to have this particular palette. And I'm going to just kind of tilt my chin up. I'm looking down in a little mirror here because I want to make sure that I get my crease right. So see how I'm going in here, but on the outer part, I'm following it, kind of going like windshield wiper motion, but out here, I'm just gonna blend it up and out. Because the idea is to make the eye like that. I know I keep going like this. I gotta use better words, but you can see it. Just to, again, concentrate that area like here. And kind of lift it, right? Because you want it to go like that. See? I don't know why it's called a fox eye, by the way. Like, this is just like, I don't know. To me, it's like a regular eyeshadow application, almost like a cat eye, or like a smoky cat eye minus a ton of smoke. Whatever. Not prepared. Okay. So next I'm going to take an angled brush. This is from Bobbi Brown. This is an eye definer. You just want a slanted brush. The next thing to do is I'm going to take this color here called Bear, which is a very, like, it's a deeper brown. And all I'm going to do is I'm picking up that color And I'm just going to kind of outline my eye, right? But you want to focus on two areas specifically. The inner corner, you want to make sure it kind of goes down, and then the outer corner, you want to make sure that it goes up, because that's what's going to give the eye that elongated look. So I'm going to take this brush, I'm going to kind of put it upside down, and I'm going to pretend like the bottom of my lash line is going to continue up. So let me get in. I'm getting close to that where like that ends. You see how I'm just stamping it? And then you can kind of just pull just like that. Then I'm going to look down or close my eye, and I'm going to go halfway and sort of kind of close that little part there. And I'm going to fill that in. Now I'm going to take it again upside down, and I'm going to take it to the inner corner of my eye and stamp that down a little bit. And I'm just filling that in. Now, it's easy to work with powdered eyeshadows versus if you go in with a liner, like a gel liner or liquid liner. So if you're more comfortable with powder products, definitely go for it. Is getting a brush to kind of blend this part out, right? Because you don't want the line like that. If you're gonna wear false eyelashes, then it doesn't matter because it'll blend into it and you won't see the line. But you can get this and sort of start pulling that top out. That way the liner's a little more like triangular. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to define that liner a little bit more, going with a black eyeshadow. I have one here in this palette. Whatever you have at home, feel free to use that. And now this one, I'm going to just kind of like wiggle like really good into the lash line at the top. You can stamp it on and sort of build a color like that. See? I'm going to go back with that brush I was blending with. This is just another angled brush. This is from It Cosmetics. Say this is a more wearable or an easier approach, everyday approach to this particular eye look. I see a lot of like really exaggerated eyeliner, which is really, really beautiful. But if you're not like, if that's not like your pace or like your comfort zone, which is totally fine, this is a more like wearable look for it. And I just see, if you compare this eye to this one, huge difference. Like this eye looks a lot longer. It looks bigger to like more almond shape than my left eye. My left eye is a little more, you know, it's more natural looking. It's very bare. But with doing the eyeliner like this way and keeping the eyebrows like, you know, nice and arched, you do get like that fox eye look or cat eye look. It's really a cat eye look. I guess, I don't know why it's like, I don't know, I guess new trends come and it's like a traditional look, it's a different name, but it's pretty much a cat eye look, you know, if we're being honest. But that's it. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and I put on some false lashes. I did individuals because I wanted them to focus more on the outer corners of my eyes so that my eyes look more, again, elongated. And now I can kind of see, like looking at my eyeshadow, like here it's nice and dark. Here I need to kind of darken it just a little bit so that it's even. So I'm just going to close my eye and I'm just going to add a little more to my crease, just like that. See? Now, like I said before, if you were going to do, my hair's a mess. If you were going to do false eyelashes and you know how your eyeliner here, before I put the lashes on, you could see it more, like the lashes kind of hide it. So there you go. And there you have it. That is I guess a more wearable approach to the fox eye, cat eye, whatever it's called, look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing really well. Hi to all of the new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. It means so much to me that you guys are part of my little family, I guess. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will see you guys in my next video.